Paramahansa Yogananda (1893–1952) was an influential Indian yogi and spiritual teacher who played a pivotal role in bringing the ancient practice of yoga and meditation to the West. He is best known for his book Autobiography of a Yogi, which has inspired millions around the world and introduced many to the concepts of Kriya Yoga and the interconnectedness of all religions. Yogananda founded the Self-Realization Fellowship in 1920 to disseminate his teachings on spiritual enlightenment and self-realization. His legacy continues through the many followers and institutions that perpetuate his teachings on inner peace and universal.
This monk consciously chose to leave his body. Yogananda, a monk who introduced millions to the power of meditation, had such mastery over his body that he departed from it through meditation once he completed his earthly mission. Remarkably, doctors found no signs of a heart attack or any abnormalities when they examined his body. Yogis are known to enter profoundly deep meditative states, sometimes for as long as 5 days, without needing food or water. They slow their heartbeats to such an extent that their bodies require minimal nutrients. In this state, they experience a timeless and spaceless meditation loop. Science is now discovering that such control over bodily energy can facilitate healing from diseases and alter genetic expressions. The yogi community believes this mastery is the final step to break the cycle of reincarnation and ascend to heaven. Paramahansa Yogananda used 3 affirmations to completely heal his mind, body, and soul. 1. I banish every trace of ill health from my body, affirming that I am made in the image of God, perfect and whole. 2. I am a channel of divine harmony and health. Every cell of my body is filled with light and life. 3. I am radiating vibrant health, peace, and joy to every cell of my body. Repeat them all before falling asleep when your brain waves are in theta, the gateway to your subconscious mind. Do it for 60 days and watch miracles start to unfold.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.